Multicolor 3D printing used to feel like something only the pros could do. Big machines, messy setups, and hours of tinkering. But not anymore. Whether you're an artist, a hobbyist, or just someone who wants their prints to finally pop with color, today's printers are smarter, easier, and more affordable than ever. In this video, we're sharing the top 6 multicolor 3D printers you can buy right now, including options for every budget and skill level. So stick around as we break down their key features, what they do best, and what to watch out for. Links to all the printers are in the description below. Number 6. FlashForge Adventurer 5M. If you're just dipping your toes into the world of multicolor 3D printing, the FlashForge Adventurer 5M might be your new best friend. It's compact, clean-looking, and doesn't ask much of you right out of the box, a true plug-and-play experience. What really makes it stand out, though, is its ability to handle up to 4 filaments when paired with FlashForge's external color switcher. You'll have to buy that module separately, but even without it, the base printer already delivers surprisingly crisp, consistent prints. We were also impressed by the speed. This thing can hit up to 600mm slash, which is rare for an entry-level machine, especially when switching colors. It manages to stay stable even at those higher speeds, with minimal stringing and clean color transitions. Of course, we're trading some convenience here. The color module doesn't come built-in, and filament switching is mechanical rather than seamless. But for first-time users, classrooms, or budget-minded tinkerers, that's a fair compromise. Bottom line, if you want multicolor capabilities without going all in on price or complexity, the Adventurer 5M is a smart starting point. Number 5. Prusso MK4 with MNU. The Prusso MK4 doesn't need much of an introduction. It's already built a reputation for rock-solid reliability, smart firmware, and unmatched print consistency. But when you pair it with the MAU3 multi-material unit, it transforms into a multicolor powerhouse. The MAU lets you load up to 5 different filaments, and not just for fun color gradients. This is ideal for functional parts that also need a visual edge, like enclosures with labels, logos, or even custom signage. You still get all the things Prusso fans swear by: auto-calibration, crash detection, filament sensors, and power recovery. And when tuned properly, it delivers clean layer lines and impressively sharp transitions between colors, a dream for makers who obsess over detail. But it's not without its trade-offs. Color changes significantly extend print times, and the MAU setup can be a bit of a patience test if you're not familiar with filament paths and retraction tuning. It's definitely not a plug-and-play situation. Who's it for? This is for experienced users who already know their way around the slicer and want ultimate control over their multicolor prints, especially if they're already part of the Prusso ecosystem. Number 4. Bambu Lab A1 Mini Combo. If you're tight on space but still want a full multicolor setup without the headache, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini Combo is pretty much a dream. This compact unit shows that size isn't everything, especially when it's packed with smart features that rival the big names. It comes bundled with the AMS Lite automatic material system, which means you get up to 4-color printing right out of the box. No extra modules to install, no complicated wiring, just load the spools and go. And the autoflow calibration means every switch comes out clean, with minimal oozing or mixing between colors. The A1 Mini is also shockingly quiet, making it perfect for shared workspaces, dorms, or apartments. Add in Wi-Fi control, app integration, and a built-in camera for remote monitoring, and it honestly feels like something out of the future. The only real catch, its build volume is small, great for minis, toys, figurines, or home decor pieces. But if you're planning larger functional parts, you'll hit the size limit fast. Who's it for? Anyone who wants a smooth, colorful printing experience in a compact package, especially hobbyists, beginners, and families. Number 3. Anycubic Cobra 3 Combo. If you've been waiting for a multicolor printer that delivers both speed and vibrant color without nuking your budget, the Anycubic Cobra 3 Combo might just be your match. This newly released bundle pairs the Cobra 3 printer with Anycubic's Color Engine Pro, a powerful filament switcher that supports up to 8 spools at once. Yep, 8, the most on this list. That means more detailed gradients, complex color schemes, and fewer swaps between print jobs. It's no slouch in the performance department either. With a top speed of 600mm slash, it keeps up with the fastest printers out there. And even at those speeds, prints maintain impressive detail, smooth curves, and clean transitions, especially with the Color Engine's smart filament detection and automated loading. Thanks to the direct drive system, it handles a variety of materials well, from basic PLA to more flexible filaments, all while keeping extrusion steady and consistent. Now for the trade-offs. The Color Engine Pro is big, so you'll need a bit of desk space. And while the hardware is impressive, Anycubic's software still lags behind leaders like Bambu in terms of polish and ease of use. Who's it for? Makers who want maximum color flexibility and fast output on a budget. Ideal for cosplayers, model builders, and anyone doing colorful prototypes. Number 2. Bambu Lab X1 Series. If you're chasing top-tier multicolor prints with zero compromise, the Bambu Lab X1 Series might just be the color printer of your dreams. Bundled with the AMS automatic material system, the X1 Carbon combo brings industrial-grade performance into the home workspace. Want serious multicolor? Add a second AMS and you're looking at up to 16 filaments per print, enough for full-spectrum creativity, complex gradients, and eye-catching detail. Color switching is fast and clean thanks to closed-loop flow calibration that adjusts on the fly for precise, vibrant transitions. The printer also features AI-powered safeguards like spaghetti detection, AI failure analysis, and even a LiDAR sensor that inspects the first layer before your print even gets going. With a dual-core processor, this thing multitasks like a beast, handling real-time print adjustments, smart diagnostics, and fluid filament changes, all while maintaining ultra-smooth motion at 500 millimeters slashed and beyond. Layer consistency, almost perfect. The prints from this machine come out looking like they've been injection molded, not 3D printed. It's that refined. But that level of polish comes at a cost. The premium price tag may push it out of reach for casual hobbyists. Also, the software leans heavily on automation, which is great for most, but tinkerers who like to control every variable might find it a little too hands-off. Who it's for? This is the printer for designers, prosumers, and advanced users who want reliable, high-speed, multicolor prints with smart features that catch problems before you do. Number 1. Bambu Lab A1 Combo. Topping our list is the Bambu Lab A1 Combo, and for good reason. This is the printer that makes multicolor 3D printing finally feel effortless. Right out of the box, it comes fully loaded with the AMS Lite, Bambu's simplified filament management system, giving you up to 4 color printing without any extra upgrades or tinkering. Even better, the entire setup takes under 30 minutes, including calibration. No guesswork, no frustration, no mess. The A1 Combo handles all the heavy lifting behind the scenes with automatic vibration compensation, flow tuning, and color separation baked right in. That means you get clean lines, crisp color changes, and consistent prints whether you're working with PLA, PETG, or even specialty filaments. Powered by Bambu Studio, the slicing profiles are smart and flexible. And despite its accessible price point, it offers print speeds up to 500 millimeters slashes without sacrificing quality. The interface is smooth, the hardware is solid, and everything just works, which honestly can't be said for a lot of printers in this category. Drawbacks, sure. You're limited to 4 filaments unless you dive into modding or additional AMS units. But for most users, that's more than enough to bring your models to life in full color. Who's it for? Everyone. From total beginners and families to seasoned makers who just want reliable multicolor prints without the fuss. It's fast, fun, and incredibly user-friendly, which is why it earns our pick as the best all-rounder multicolor 3D printer of 2025. So there you have it, 6 of the best multicolor 3D printers you can get your hands on in 2025. Whether you're dipping your toes in for the first time or looking to level up to pro-grade output, there's something here for every kind of creator. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. It really helps out. And let us know in the comments which printer caught your eye or if you already own one of these. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.